stop focusing on results sometime and focus on the process. $1,500 my buy it for. One of them cheap shoes there, 1,000. Good morning again, guys. Good morning. Welcome back to another. The date or the day? The date or the day? Today. Today is Wednesday. Yes. Oh, you wonder for Sunday? Ah, all right. He's my neighbor. He's asking me what day is today. It's a question he want to ask me. He said because I see so much car park on the avenue and none of them now leave. So I wonder for Sunday. All right. Anyway, as I was saying, welcome back to another Vlogmas day. On my way to work, to the people in 9 to 5 work. And you know, all right, what today? I have some to-do list because these days I'm trying to give a positive message. So the other day I mentioned to start anytime or just start. It's a new year, and as I mentioned the other day, just start. And leading on to just start, stop following the crowd. All of us time will come when it is right. And as the songwriter says, he may not call when you call him, but he's always on time. Yeah. He may not come when you call him, but he's always on time. Because sometimes we feel like when we call on Jesus, he needs to come to rescue us same time, but he's preparing us for that time that you aren't aware of, if you understand what I mean. So if you normally look at my quote that is at my office area, it says God is not preparing the blessing for you, he's preparing you for the blessing, which means he sees the blessing already, but he's just preparing you for it, for when you get it. Because some of us aren't ready for certain things. I normally use my YouTube channel as an example. I'm doing YouTube 3 years now, and I can tell you the things that I have learned, I am learning. Camera presence, walking, people are look for me now, and I talk to you, editing, researching, planning. It gives me a lot. Just imagine when I just started YouTube. Okay, Renee, you just blow up and get how much 1,000 subscribers. Who wouldn't appreciate the process? I mean, no more flop already. And that is why sometimes we see some persons get this crazy amount of subscribers, this crazy amount of views, and then you don't see them anymore because some of them cannot manage it. They didn't go through the struggles like myself here, where not even monetized yet for 3 years, and I'm just enjoying the process. So we just need to enjoy the process sometime. We just need to appreciate the process. We just need to stop focusing on results sometime and focus on the process, because the process is what is important and what will give the result. All right.
내게 말해줘 tonight 널 알고 싶어 따분할 만큼 이성적이었던 나 무너지고 있잖아 네 앞에 서면 생각도 멈춰
I'm on lunch, going by Burger now. back at it again.
You're all I need. 너도 같다면 의심해. You're all I need. 너의 눈빛과 작은 향기까지 다 나를 간지럽히네. 모든 신경이 널 향해 있어. 사랑에 빠지는 건 바보 같다고. 그렇게 난 믿었었는데. 유일한 사랑은 너 하나란 걸 나는 확신해. You're all I need. 너도 같다면 의심의 여지가 없는 거잖아. You're all I
Alright guys, so as usual I stopped by the supermarket again to get some stuff. So I just pick up, actually I went in there just to buy rice, and you know every time I go in the supermarket to buy one little something, yeah, cause I have to pass the supermarket to figure my house. See it here, I buy bread, 3 bun, I buy 1 pack of jasmine rice, the cassette brand. I saw these on special, buy one get one free. It expires December 27, but you know it can go a little longer. I buy a tin milk. What else here? I bought one of these because I fell for tricks. What they said, tricks are for kids. And I also got cornflakes, my favorite red and white cornflakes. What in else in my bag? Oh, this just random because it did in the bag. Come there travel with it. I buy the shoes here. Well, see it here. $1,500 I buy it for. One of them cheap shoes there, $1,500, because I realize when I buy the $4,000 shoes them not last long. So might as well I buy the cheaper one, even 2 or 3 of them, and interchange them, and it lasts a little longer. So yeah, this I go out, and yeah, see them there. Oh, let me tell you how much I spent. Alright, so just to tell you a little of the prices, the red and white cornflakes was for $5.54. The tricks is for $5.72, and these are plus tax. The bread is for $5.25, no taxes on that. The macaroni and cheese is $2.54 plus tax. So I got the 2 of them for $2.54 plus tax. The Betty condensed milk is $314. The national spiced bun, $130 each, and the jasmine rice is for $6.81. Yeah. So one thing I like with Super Value is when you have the card, they have the Super Value card. When you shop, you get dollars. So if you look right there, you will see right here, you see so far on the card I have 126. About 2 times you use up the card already, $1,000 each time. So each time you shop, you accumulate dollar values. So yeah, so for this transaction I got back $32. Yeah, so my new loyalty value now is $159. All right, so that's that. We're going to look about lobster, not me, with little rice and some chicken as well. So yeah, so for a new toy, this lamp here. Remember the lamp? These bulbs here, I bought them at Ping some time ago. How much may they get them for? I think I 4,000 something for the pack. I think I 4,000 something did pay for the pack. I will confirm with you if I that are 3,000 something, but I think I 4,000 at them did have the pack for. So the thing is, I put the bulbs in the lamps, so one over there, one over here. I wanted to change the lamp, however the new lamp I got is E14 them use. So what I'll do now, do not watch up my crack phone screen at the tempered glass crack. So apparently I go to the app that is Fate Electric, and then I had set it up already. So once I go to the app Fate Electric, I wonder if me set it up on the phone here now. Alright, so I turn to the other phone. So I'll be using my phone to operate it here. So I'll go in the app. I'm gonna go up on Shein. Alright, so in the app I turn it on. Then I can select it. I can turn it up. See it there? Alright, I'm gonna turn off the main light. Alright, so the main light is off. Changing it to different colors now. And then what I can also do is turn up the brightness, turn it back down, change again to blue, red, purple. So I wanted to see exactly, see it here. So I can change it to blue, red, purple, dim it up. I can also turn on the saturation, turn up the brightness, turn it down, and it asks what you can turn it round. See it there? Ooh. You can carry it back round to white light. It has so many options as you can see. So see it there? Yeah. And then once you do that, carry it back up, and that's basically it, as you can see. Alright, so that's my lunch dish. So I put the cornflakes on top of the fridge top here. The tricks can go. I think I'm going to drink some of the tricks tonight. Alright, so bread can go in the pan. You can go in the pan as well.
Because for other people who might just know you through social media, they might not even really understand what it is. Like, they might think they're doing like more jokes.
So you're going to put this in a this, and never just steam it first. So, oh, in a this with file paper.
Come on, the juice.
Subscribe, please, and make people know. Well, there is a big difference. And the unique
Wait, they put shrimp in there? You never season up the shrimp.
Shimba will get that.
Did I put over the pan aside? No. So where grease the rubber steam it? The top.
Don't worry about it. I was sweating. Steam. You must have a chicken. Next week Sunday I'll take you before we go up tomorrow.
Where that me?
Yeah.
Where you mean?
Azans are where you need to
oh.
go. Trust the process. Yeah.
So one thing. Alright. Stop. So those are what? Potato?
No, what?
No, that's something in my background. That's sitting there. No need it. Put it over this side. Them in there, season and potato.
No, just onion and something.
Oh, onion and garlic and butter and soap, jerk seasoning and stuff.
Yeah. And paprika.
So that not gonna be very salty.
Oh.
Okay. So it's just a butter that you're going to put in there.
Yeah.
One little wine.
No.
Okay.
Yeah, wine. You don't have to steam it inside, so I'll go on it and
Oh, you
open
put this in an oven back to finish cook on the lobster.
It'll go on the lobster.
Okay.
And spread it on the lobster.
Oh, so
You
you just
wanna
put
make
the
just wanna make the
onion.
butter, yeah. Me not have to cook it, I'll open it go inside.
Okay.
Quick.
Yeah, that's right after that now.
Yeah, some
Like a big warehouse that they sell.
Now you make it drop in a sink.
yeah.
Yeah.
Stay.
Hold on there. Ease up that.
Give it a
You know if you put the last one.
In such a way that I was like, yo, I should do more things like this.
So you know what that means? And so my time it puts me in the same situation. Everybody have that period when you have a
Oh, you want button just there.